Hi there, welcome to our channel Free Tech. In this video, we will be reviewing Trust Wallet versus Binance Wallet. When it's come to managing your crypto on the go, two of the biggest names you will hear are Trust Wallet and Binance Wallet. Both are solid options, but they serve slightly different purposes depending on what kind of user you are. Trust Wallet is all about decentralization. It gives you full control over your private keys, supports a huge number of coins and tokens, and works great for DeFi, NFTs, and dApps. The interface is clean, easy to use, and it does not require any account sign up. Your wallet is truly yours. If you are someone who value privacy and flexibility, Trust Wallet is a top choice. On the other hand, if we talk about Binance Wallet, so it is more integrated to the Binance ecosystem. It's perfect for users who already trade or hold assets on Binance because it makes transferring and managing funds super convenient. It's slightly more centralized and account dependent, but the upside is a tighter connection with Binance services, better trading tools, and smooth cross chain transactions. So if you want a fully centralized experience with maximum control, go with Trust Wallet. But if you are already deep into the Binance world and want seamless integration, Binance Wallet might be more up your alley. So this is a wrap up. Both wallets are secure and reliable. It just depends on what matters more to you, independence or convenience. Hopefully this helped you decide which one fits your style. If it did, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more straight to the point crypto reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye.